Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT, chapter of fractions and decimals. This is 7th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that find part A is half of 2 is to 3 by 4 is equal to half into 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 is equal to 11 by 8 is equal to 8 1 the 8 and remainder is 3. Second, half of 4 is to 2 by 9 is equal to half of 9 4 the 36 plus 2 38 by 9. 2 से 38 cancel out हो जाएगा 19 टाइम. So 19 by 9 is equal to 9 to the 18, remainder 1 and 9 as it is. Part B, first is 5 by 8 of 3 is to 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 of 6 3s are 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 upon 6. So 115 upon 48 is equal to 2 is to 19 by 48. Second, 5 by 8 of 9 is to 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 of 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29 by 3 is equal to 145 by 24. 24 से डिवाइड करेंगे 145 को. So 6 time completely divisible and remainder is 1 and 24 as it is. So 6 is to 1 by 24. Thank you.